मिराबागाच्या आंदोलकाक आमदार विजय सरदेसायान सभाघरात येवपाक पास दिल्ल्यान सभाघरात राजकीय वातावरण तापले। सगळे प्रकार सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेऱ्यात कैद जाला। तेन्ना सरदेसायान 24 वरां भितर सभाघराची माफी मागची असो आदेश सभापती गणेश गांवकरान दिला। पूण आमदार विजय म्हणटा फुडें पळोवया पुराय बातमी।
On 6 March 2006, which requires urgent attention, the matter is extremely serious and goes to the very root of the functioning and dignity of this House. The incident necessitates immediate steps to curb such acts, which amounts to contempt of this House. On 6 March 2026, while Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai sought to move an adjournment motion on the issue of the Mirabag Bandara, certain visitors in the gallery began raising slogans on the same issue. This caused clear interference with the proceedings of the functioning of the House. Upon investigation, it has been found that the visitors' passes for these 4 visitors were facilitated by Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai. I have also personally verified the CCTV footage and observed suspicious movements of these visitors in the office of Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai, as well as within the Assembly complex. As Speaker, I have taken serious note of this incident, and I wish to inform the House that no such attempts will be tolerated. Any person, including any member of this House, found to be involved in such activities amounting to external interference with this House shall be dealt with sternly, and action including proceedings for contempt of this House shall be initiated against such a person as well as any member found to be involved. With regard to the incident that occurred on 6th March 2026, before taking any action in the matter, I call upon Honorable Member Sri Vijay Sardesai to tender an unconditional apology to this House within 24 hours from now, failing which appropriate action in accordance with the rules shall be taken against the Honorable Member.
सोड रे 24 hours आहा मरे सोड ते मागीर फाल्यां
हांव क्लियर कट सांगता हांवें ते 4 जाणांक टॅररिस्ट म्हणून ना हांवें अरेस्ट करा म्हणटा 100% सांगलां की हांवें अरेस्ट करा कारण अशा पद्दतीचे इन्सिडंट हावजान जावंक जायना हे जे हा प्रवृत्ती पळय न्हू ही अशा पद्दतीची प्रवृत्ती तयार जावंक जायना